Good hustle, Jake. Good hustle, Jake. Good hustle, Jake. It's all right, Jake. Good hustle.
Right ball.
Backcourt violation.
Good D. Good D. Good D. It's all right. You think you want to need an ice pack? Look up, Alec, look up. Just relax on that shot, Ben, relax. D up, D up, D up. Let's go. Look up, look up, look up. Hands up, Alec, hands up. Stay in front. He left his man. Man, they is murdering us. Wow. Good shot. Good shot. That's the key, Trey. Quit focusing on the bad stuff, man. Why is you doing that? Why are you focusing on the bad stuff? You already understand that the ball's small.
And I've only played like 4 minutes.
What do you mean? What do you mean? You talking about today? Because the other games you've been playing the whole game. What are you talking about? This is just today. There's more people out here now, so everybody had to alternate. That's only right.
You played almost the whole first half. Why you not?
Way to go, Trey. Toughen up. Let's go, y'all. Good shot, shot.
One shot. Get it on the rim.
Man, we need defense real bad. Once we get out there, we need defense real bad. Like, somebody should be grabbing that ball from there. Good D, good D. Stay with him. Good D. Good D, y'all. Contest everything. Get open, Alex. Get open. Welcome back in. D up, y'all. Get a man, D up. Nobody had the rebound. Right. Hands up, hands up. Stay with your man. Stay with your man. Rebound, rebound. I know, the height. Come on, y'all. Hands up. Right here. Get there, get there. Hustle. Get in front. Get in front. We needed 10 out there so bad.
I know everybody's using
Nice. Let's go, y'all. Defense. Turn around. Get your man, Alex. Stay with him. Stay with him. Let's go. We up. Let's go. Defense, y'all. Defense. Right there. Turn around, Alex. Defense. Step up. Rebound. Pass it. Pass it. Pass it. Look up. I was saying, that's why you grab it and pass it. You're trying to do too much at once. You grab it, pass it, then you get open. Stay in front, y'all. Defense. Rebound. Let's go. Let's go. Look up. That's you. All day. Defense, y'all. Defense. Come on, y'all. Defense. Where the ball at? Who got ball? Who got ball? Stay in front of them. Don't let them slide. Stay in front. Who man? Who man? Rebound. Stay with him. Stay in front. Pressure the ball. Pressure the ball. Pressure the ball. Pressure the ball. Good job. Let's go, Alex. Get open. Shot. Rebound. Defense, y'all. Get your man, Alex. Shot. Who man? Y'all gotta grab a man.
Come on, that could have been our rebound.
Hey, get on D, y'all. Get on D. Look up, look up, look up. Defense. Defense, defense, defense. Blocking. Charge. I seen her. Rebound. That's our ball, though. It's okay. Play. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Defense. 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 Hey, watch that shoulder too, y'all. While y'all looking, he can't lower that shoulder when he doing that. Let's go. Let's go. We up, y'all. Good block. Good block. D up, y'all. Travel. Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, offense. Take the ball out. Hustle, hustle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's you. Get it, Alex. Good shot. See? Hustling. That's you. Defense. Let's go. Yep. Let's go. Good look, Trey. Good look, Trey.
Good look, Trev.